You want to know if you can see if someone has shared your story on Snapchat. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end. So let's go ahead and open the Snapchat app and tap on these icons in the bottom right here. These icons, once you tap there, you find all of the stories shared by your friends. Basically, once you open a story, you can tap right here in the bottom right corner to share it with whoever you want on the app on Snapchat. Now, if you go ahead and quit from here and tap on your story or Bitmoji in the top left corner of the screen, scroll down, you'll find your story here if you have someone posted, of course. Once you open it, the only types of information actually provided by Snapchat is the views and the screenshots that are taken of your story. So it is basically safe to say that Snapchat does not notify you if someone shared your story unless they tag you in it. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.